Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kiya. Today I'm going to talk about Memorandum of Association under Companies Act. So, a Memorandum of Association represents the character of a company. It's a legal document prepared during the formation and registration process of a company. To define its relationship, shareholders and its specific the objectives for which a company has been formed. So basically it is the preface of any company, and it gives the objective that why that particular company has been formed. The company can undertake only those activities that are mentioned in their memorandum of association. As such, the MOA lays down the boundary beyond which the actions of a company cannot go. Now, any act beyond of MOA, it will be ultra vires. So the company and it can rectify by the company. Now I would like to tell you about the contents of memorandum of association. Number one, name clause should be there, then registered office address, then objective of that clause, then liability clause, then capital clause, and at last nominee clause. These are the contents of the memorandum of association. Now I would like to tell you about the objective of MOA. Number one, a company can undertake only those activities which are there in their MOA. In other words, the memorandum of association tells about the objective of that company, that why that particular company has been formed. MOA helps the creditors, shareholders and any other person that are interacting and dealing with the companies to know the company's power and its objective. In addition to this, MOA contents help the prospective shareholders in taking the right decision while investing in that particular company. So this is what MOA is all about. I have told you the definition of MOA, the objective of MOA and the contents of the MOA. This is a little brief about the memorandum of association. I'll give you the brief regarding this. Further, I'll give you the brief regarding the memorandum of association in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Still you have any doubts or queries regarding this particular content, do let me know in the comment section, and do let me know that on what all topics you want me to make the videos, so that I can prepare my videos on that basis and clear up all your doubts and queries regarding that. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you super soon in my next video with some other topics.